Good morning, students. Welcome to class 8 mathematics, exponents, chapter 2 exponents, part 2b. That is, in the previous video, I have discussed about laws of exponents with positive integral exponents. But in this video, I am going to discuss the laws of exponents with negative integral exponents. I have solved some questions also in the about the positive integral exponents. Now here are the laws of exponents with negative integral exponents. First, when a raised to power minus 1 will be equals to 1 upon a, provided a is not equals to 0. That is, if a raised to power minus m will be equals to 1 upon a raised to power m, यानी अगर किसी भी बेस का, किसी भी नंबर का, इंटीजर का या रैशनल नंबर का पावर नेगेटिव है, उसे पॉजिटिव करना है, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे 1 अपॉन ए रेस्ट पर एम. ए रेस्ट पर माइनस एम का रेसिप्रोकल ही उसका 1 अपॉन ए रेस्ट पर एम कर देगा, पॉजिटिव बना देगा. इसी तरह से यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं सेकेंड लॉ. द सेकेंड लॉ वी सी दैट द इंटीजर, और वी कैन से p and q are the positive integers and the rational number we got is p by q having the exponents in negative. This can be converted into positive by taking reciprocal of the rational number. By just taking it q upon p, this negative sign will be removed and the degree is 1. Whether we write it or not, that doesn't matter. That is, the concept here, the law x here applies is p upon q whole raised to the power minus m will be equals to q upon p raised to the power m. That is, negative m becomes positive by just taking reciprocal of the rational number. This is the second law that we are doing here. Rest of the laws of exponents are same, which I have taught you in the previous video with the positive integral exponents. So all the positive integral exponents will be valid here, but the negative one will be this. Next, I'm going to do some questions based on this exponents. Let's start exercise 2.2. Question 1, part 1. Here it is told, given as 4 by 7 to be minus 2 must be expressed with the positive. It is said that express it in with express it with positive exponents. Solution: 4 by 7 raised to power minus 2. By using law, since we write like this, p upon q whole raised to power minus m is equals to q upon p raised to power m. By using this law, we can write 4 by 7 raised to power minus 2 as 7 by 4 raised to power 2, and that is 7 raised to power 2 upon 4 raised to power 2, so it's 49 upon 4 to the 16 is your answer. Second questions of exercise 2.2 is express as a rational number. Rational number. The first question is minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 into minus 2 upon 3 whole raised to power minus 1. Now I am going to express it as rational number, that is in the simple form. Let's see. The base is same on both the here. So we can see that base are same, minus 2 by 3 here, and same base are multiplied. So we can use the law, since a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. By using this law, we get minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 plus minus 1. We'll add these two powers. That is, we get minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 into plus minus 1 means 1. So this is the answer, that is equals to minus 2 by 3 is the answer, is in the rational form. Next I'm going to do the sixth part of question 2 of exercise 2.2. Let's see, here I have done 2.2, so here I am going to continue this also. So 2 का फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया, 2 का सिक्स्थ पार्ट मैं करा रहा हूँ. जो मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा उससे मैं पहले चॉइस करके बना रहा हूँ. रेस्ट आपको जो नहीं आएंगे वो आप लाइव क्लासेस में पूछ सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी नीड टू एक्सप्रेस इट इन रैशनल फॉर्म लाइक दिस वन, दिस लाइक इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. So simple here. Here again we can see that the written the question somewhat mistakenly, that is it should be 5. 7 by 5. So the same base are here also. Since we use the law, since a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n, and when m is smaller then we can write in different way also, but it's better that we do the same law for many questions. Yeah, this law can be applicable here also. 7 by 5, base same, exponent is minus 2n, this is m, and plus this is n, sorry 3 is n. So what we'll get, 7 by 5 raised to power minus 2 plus 3 will be 1, and 7 by 5 raised to power 1, because minus 2 plus 3 will be 1, and here it will become this. This is the rational number that we have expressed this in the rational form, that is this. So this is the answer. Next I am going to start questions 3, and I will do some parts from this also. I am choosing the part that is express, each question is express each of the following as a power of rational number with a negative exponents. Express each of the following as a power of rational number with negative exponents. मतलब इसके जो पॉजिटिव पावर होंगे उसे हमें नेगेटिव के रूप में दिखाना पड़ेगा. सपोज दिस इज द क्वेश्चन पार्ट 1, 25 by 64. Now first we will write in the exponential form. 25 can be written as 5 into 5 upon 64 can be written as but we can do many ways. 64 4s are 4 into 4 into 4 also, but better we write in the simplest form, that is 2, 32, 16. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 6 times. It becomes 5 raised to power 2 upon 2 raised to power 6. Now it is asked to write it in the negative form, negative exponents. So very simple, we will take the reciprocal of each of this. जो डिनोमिनेटर उसको न्यूमरेटर बना देंगे तो 2 की पावर -6 हो जाएगा, और जो न्यूमरेटर है उसे डिनोमिनेटर में ले आएंगे तो 5 raised to power -2 हो जाएगा. And this is the answer, because negative exponent के साथ हो गया solution. Next, in this next page, the next question is third part, 3 question part 3. It is 4 raised to power 2 into minus 3 upon 4 raised to power 2. So we need to express it in the negative exponents form. So first of all we will open the bracket, 4 raised to power 2 into minus 3 raised to the power 2 upon 4 raised to the power 2. It's simple. So we can see that 4 square numerator and here 4 square is denominator, it can cancel, you can cancel it, and now we got is minus 3 raised to power 2. If you open the bracket it will become 3 square, because minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3 will be minus minus got cancelled, that is 3 square. So 3 square हो गया. अब इसका नेगेटिव फॉर्म में लिखना है तो 1 upon 3 raised to power -2, because we use the property a raised to power m is equals to 1 upon a raised to power -m. So this is the answer. Next, so today up to here only three questions up to here. Question number 3 and third parts तक मैं आज कर रहा हूँ. In the next video I will continue this exercise 2.2 where this exercise has a lot of questions. About 21 questions is there in this exercise, but I will teach you each varieties in detail. So we'll do the rest of the question in the next video, in the next class.